Ilan pa? Kulang.
Get some chocolate.
Ako wala
Central.
This property is hecka big. Like, I mean, look at this. And plus, I was able to see the map there of their plan of what they're gonna do in this area, because the area is really big. I've learned that the Mount Pinatubo eruption, I mean the lava from it, when it was happening, it was flowing from there until here. And as what you can see, guys, let me see if you can. Okay, there, that area. That's like the way where lava actually did flow. I've learned that most people, even from Manila or from other countries like in the US, they're gathering, trying to grab some of these rocks because it will be considered as igneous rock. Like what I've learned from my friend here, he said that it's considered as the white gold here, meaning it's really expensive because, of course, the rock, that lava rock, it's an igneous rock, so it's really considered, it's really rare to find, especially in construction. When you're gonna try to build houses or buildings, if you're gonna get that, it's gonna be like really sturdy. That's why all the properties here, like buildings and all the houses, are really sturdy here because of that rock that they are getting from that area, you know, where the lava did really flow. And like what I was saying, other countries and other cities outside Pampanga, they're really getting these type of rocks, and it's really expensive. And that's a great to know stuff. I'll try to show you guys the map of this area, Sun Valley. I'll try to show you their plan. There, I'll show the map. And right now, if you guys are asking, I'm in the D Heights. That's what it says. And yeah, D Heights Resort and Casino. So I guess this plan is under the same company probably. But look at this. We're in this area right now, and this is their plan, their future plans in this area. My friend said it's really saturated here, so might as well just use it for some developments like that. Like new hotels, water parks, and who knows, after decades, there will be more than that. And this is Pampanga at this point, especially after that Mount Pinatubo eruption.